Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to count the production hours and we will use the Microsoft Excel. How to do that? So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Let's get practice again with Microsoft Excel where you can imagine yourself if you are the manager of the cake store or if you are the chef of the pastry, and if you have several coworker over here, and if you would like to know how many cake that they can create per hour, so you can use this formula. For example, I have prepared you this table. There are Mark, Matthew, Ibrahim, and Ahmed. And there are several times that they can create the cake over here. For example, Mark can create or can make 12 cakes only in 6 hours and 50 minutes. And if you would like to know how many cakes they or he can make per hour, so we will use this formula. So first step we can do is type equal, and after that you can click the cell that contains of the amount of cake that can be made by Mark. There are 12 cakes, and after that you give the slash, and after that you can give it the parentheses, and you can go to click the cell D7 that contains about the hours, and after that you can give it the asterisk and kindly type 24, that means that 24 hours, and close it or wrap it up with the parentheses and enter, and there you go. For example, there are 176 of cake that he can make. But if you would like to round it, then don't worry, because you can click this increase decimal or this. There you go. There are maybe afraid of there are 2 cakes per hour that can be made by Mark, and you can simply give the double click, and there you go. That, as you can see, that Matthew can create 2 cakes per hour, Ibrahim can make 2 cakes per hour too, and also Ahmed can make 4 cakes per hour. So don't forget to try this formula, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.